discuss to you the advantages and disadvantages of nonverbal communication. But before we start, let me further discuss to you the meaning of nonverbal communication. It is the transmission of messages or signals through a nonverbal platforms such as eye contact, facial expressions, gestures, and the distance between two individuals. Now, let's proceed to the advantages of nonverbal communication. The first one is clear explanation. Second, knowledge transfer to deaf and dumb person. Third, exchange of feeling. 3, time saving. 4, aid to verbal communication. And the last is for illiterate people. Here are the disadvantages of nonverbal communication. First is problem in feedback. Second, incomplete communication. Third, lack of flexibility. Fourth, encoding and decoding problem. Fifth, absence of permanent record. And the last one is the differences in nonverbal across culture. Next is the advantages and disadvantages of verbal communication. When we say verbal communication, the messages is conveyed through text, through speaking, and by voice. It is one-to-one communication, and it's permanent and easy to understand. Here are the advantages of verbal communication. It saves time, it saves money. Most convenient method, ease of preparation, maintains secrecy, clarity of message, and legality of the content. And here are the disadvantages of verbal communication. Chance of distortion of meaning, not convenient for long messages, irrelevant information, create a misunderstanding, communication cost, and maintenance cost. Now, let's proceed to our next topic, the nature of communication. One of example of the nature of communication is the verbal and non-verbal. The words are active carriers of information or verbal communication. Gestures can sometimes be more powerful than words. Facial expressions, sounds, signs, and symbols are the non-verbal forms of communication. Let me give an example. Good morning, Lara. Good morning, Sheila. Did you prepare last night for our presentation today? Yes, but I'm a little bit nervous. Oh, it's fine to feel that. But good luck to you. See you later. Bye.